Airplane takeoff through the eyes of a pilot. Because of the high altitude, the plane seems to be moving very slowly. But looking at the oncoming plane, it is clear that the speeds are enormous. SkyDrive to launch electric air cab service in Tokyo and Osaka in 2023. SkyDrive Inc. is completing the final series of tests of the prototype of the world's smallest eVTOL vehicle and is preparing to commercialize the project with the support of the Japanese government. The first cities where the eVTOL will begin operation will be Osaka and Tokyo. The average flight time will be 5 to 10 minutes at speeds of up to 100 km per hour. The first flight routes will be over water.
56% of the pilots fell asleep the moment they were flying the plane.
The plane is taking on water to extinguish the fire.